Hello brow lovers! In this video, we will be doing a brow henna treatment using the ombre effect. The ombre effect is really popular as it creates a full yet natural brow look. To create this look, you will need a Supercilium Henna color of your choosing, a mixing cup, the Eucalyptus Color Developer, an angled brush, a micro brush, a pro cleanser, a color corrector, and a prep peel gel. Everything you need you can find on our website supercilium.com. Start by pouring 1 spatula or 0.25 grams of the measuring spoon full of henna into the mixing bowl. Pour 10 to 20 drops of Eucalyptus Color Developer into the henna powder and start mixing using your angled brush. To dissolve the henna seeds, use a micro brush to crush the seeds and keep mixing until your mixture turns into a smooth, thick-looking paste as shown in this video. Let your mixture sit for 5 minutes so the paste can oxidize and be fully developed for the treatment. In the meantime, let's prepare the brows for the henna treatment. Clean the brows with a pro cleanser and a cotton pad. Next, apply the Supercilium prep peel gel and massage it gently onto the skin for 20 seconds. Afterwards, remove the prep peel gel with a pro cleanser and a cotton pad. The brows are now clean and ready for the treatment. Start by applying the henna at the inside of the brow and create a sharp line on the bottom line of the brow. Take this line until the tail of the brow. Afterwards, start filling in the rest of the brow with henna to complete your first layer. In case you've made a mistake, use the color corrector with a cotton swab and reapply the henna. Feel free to add up to 3 layers based on your client's preference. To achieve the ombre effect, after 5 minutes, you can remove the henna from the inner part of the brow with a cotton swab. If the color turned out too light, reapply the henna on the inner section. After 15 to 20 minutes, you can remove the rest of the henna from the brow using a damp cotton pad. Please feel free to use the color corrector if you've made a mistake. With this step, the ombre brows are done. With proper aftercare, henna brows can last up to 6 weeks on the hairs and 2 weeks on the skin. 24 hours after your treatment, apply the Supercilium Defense Balm with a fingertip on the treated area. This will help to protect the brows from any sun damage and will also help the brows to recover. This is it for this video, guys. We hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and we'll see you in the next one.